Good job. Another bite. Here it is. We've got a lefty. He seems to be left-handed. Good job, Austin. Oh, he wants some more. Okay, hold on. Austin loves oatmeal. Good job. Don't gag yourself. Big boy. Oh, he wants some more. Okay. No, you eat it. It's your oatmeal. You eat it. Okay, now we're just playing. Other side. Eat it. Austin, eat it. Good job. Yay, Austin. Can you clap your hands? Clap your hands. Clap your hands. No, that's okay. Yay. Can you wave? You can wave.